What's up, everybody? We got a 2015 Toyota Tacoma. I'm going to show you how to remove the shifter knob and the cup holder, shifter trim, and the cup holder. Alright, so it's real quick and easy. You're just going to counterclockwise spin your shifter knob off like so. And then I usually just grab this real tight and pull it up. But something like this will make it easier. You're going to get that underneath the lip. Alright, so just have to pull a little, and a little bit so I could get that under there. Like I said, I normally don't even use a tool, but we're going to go one-handed. There you go. Alright, that's all that's holding it on there. These little clips, the yellow and white there. Put it back on. You just reverse the process after you've cleaned, of course. Don't be disgusting. And there you go. Hit that thumbs up and subscribe if it helped you out, and I'll catch you on the next one.